Deflationary, sabihin naman ito, the coin supply is paliit na ng paliit. There's a scarcity model. For example, Bitcoin. Di ba 21 million lang siya? Okay? Nagiging deflationary if you keep on burning. Let's say you process the transaction, then you burn a portion of the transaction. You burn a portion of the coin for every time that you do process transaction, then it becomes deflationary. Ethereum, through the Shapella upgrade, became deflationary. They're now burning X amount of Ethereum per every time that there's a transaction na nangyayari. Tinatanggal mo sa circulation yung coin. Kapag lumiliit yung supply ng coin but the liquidity is still intact, therefore, yung coin, deflation na tataas yung value niya. Parang ganito yan. Gold is limited, scarce yan. Hindi nagkakalat ang gold. Less ang supply